We're celebrating her birthday.
No.
I know, but she didn't ask.
I know. My birthday.
Oh, yeah.
We're celebrating her birthday.
Thank you.
What is that? I have no idea.
Soy.
Okay, there's a regular beige.
Okay,
Soy
I
sauce.
got it all. Oh, wait a minute. So you
I
want
know
something?
that.
Point. Remember when I was like, we're at Taco Bell, remember?
Well, he was gonna tell her, and I'm like, you know, it's kind of like,
Chicken steak, right?
Yeah.
All the like a steak. Medium.
Same.
What do you want?
medium rare.
Medium.
This is so cool how they do this. She's taking a video. This is cool. I hope you don't mind. Oh, you are too.
Whoa!
All right, make a what? Happy birthday.
That was like, whoa. I love watching them cook.
Sorry, we got next weekend.
Or if you make it like you know the
Okay, I'll just stop the video.
Why?
Because you can hear you on the video.
Oh, just take it. You take it.
All right, somebody want to try sake today? You want sake? Want sake today?
Yes.
Open your mouth. You want to try sake?
Okay.
Open your mouth.
Open your mouth.
Let's go. Happy birthday.
Oh my God, I love sake. Thank you.
Take a video.
I did.
You're still taking it?
Like, no, I have it like a 30-second video. Oh, this is so great. Thank you.
I wasn't expecting that.
I was just telling him, like, I'm like, oh, I wonder if I can get some sake.
Oh.
No, like yesterday. That's amazing. I love sake though. The only problem is you can drink a whole bottle and then get up and you'll think you're sane. You get up and you'll fall in your freaking face.
Have a good birthday. Thank you.
Honey, you might have to move your plate. Oh, I love the smell of that.
Good? I love it. No, I'm not. I'm not.
Just leave it. Just leave it.
Oh, okay. All right. I will. Hang on.
That would have been good.
Never forget that one.
You didn't get that, did you? Damn.
What? Leave it close. There we go.
Thank you so much.
Going on my YouTube channel.
I'll be able to relive it 5 million times.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm tasting it.
No, I gotta taste it.
Leave right in mud.
It smells delicious.
Alright, make a windshield over there.
Oh my god, that
Oh, wow.
was good. I'm not gonna eat anymore after this.
Just wait.
Oh my god. No, no, no.
That's cool. Thank you. Oh, her video stopped again.
It's your turn. Here, your turn.
Keep taking it.
No, I want to see.
Yeah, I get. Don't worry about it.
There.
Kelly,
You need to push the button, babe.
you gotta push the button.
Hang on, go back. No, okay, so you have to push the button first. For this.
There. I'm holding it up for you. Okay?
Oh, wow.
Mark never met.
I don't know about making this waterproof.
Well, we could take it to go.
Wow. Wow. Thank you.
Stay rolled up.
Ow. Wow. Wow. Actually, you need that one. Yeah, I can talk about it. This is so cool.
Thank you very much.
Wow.
For me, I'm gonna stop.
I got the chicken one. I got the chicken one. No, I want spaghetti. Let's eat.
close it. You got low fat.
Yeah, please. Thank you. Oh my God, you are an amazing cook.
Yes, you are.
You are fucking amazing. God almighty. That's a technical term.
Spicy is it?
I don't know. I'm gonna go with it though.
Wow. You really are. You're great. Holy moly.
Maybe
Catch your brother in there, man. Catch your brother in? A little bit more.
Wow.
Hold him up. Hold him up. One. Hold him up.
Jackie.
Catch your brother. 1, 2, 3, go.
You're a mess.
Here we go. Oh my God. I got it. Here we go. Come on, man. That's so good. No, sir, no working. Oh. How about you, bro?
Now you try.
Not right. You missed. That's just going like, I always get almost. Take that almost. Yeah! Oh my God, she got it on the first try. That's what I
Ooh, that's good.
Is it really spicy?
I don't think so.
Which one should I try?
You might try dipping.
Okay. I'm with you.
Can we go back and get more butter, please? Garlic butter? Oh, I don't like that.
Oh God.
Oh yeah, it's good.
Oh yeah.
How's yours?
How do you want to try it? Okay. Oh, thank you, thank you.
Kelly, what tip?
Hot.
You want to put the sauce on?
You don't have to.
thank
You
you,
can dip it.
thank
You
you.
can dip it.
All right, thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Excellent. Thank you.